मेरा
निकाल। Mr. Speaker, sir, I am thankful to the honorable members who have spoken on the bill. They have made good suggestions for the improvement of the bill. Some of them have expressed their fears and some others have stated that the bill has not gone far. Before I go into these factors, I want to say that it may not be possible to go into details on every point that has been raised in the course of the debate, but I can assure the honorable members that I will not stand on prestige simply because I have bought the bill. It should not be said that this is my own idea. That is why I can assure the House that I will not stand on formalities. My only intention in bringing forward this bill is to improve the villages, as the majority of people live in these villages. That is why it is absolutely necessary to take up this reform immediately. Then I do not think that a sort of centralization is bad, but at the same time there is a limit to it. If we have faith in democracy, we must have a sort of decentralization. Then it may be said that the state government, being a popular government, will give about 5% of the land revenue to the villages hereafter, and that it will improve the villages, and so it may be asked why I want to give all these powers to the villagers. If we have real faith in these people, we must see that the people in the villages govern themselves, at least in respect of their daily needs. We cannot check everything by sitting in Chennai. I may tell the House that it is impossible to govern the country sitting in one place. It may also be said that we must hand over all the powers and that we should have some check over them. Some others may say that we should give all the powers to the villagers and that we must have checks in the hands of inspectors. On the same ground, I may say that it seems to me that more powers may be given to the collectors. I also assure the House that the present bill has to undergo some changes. That is why I want the bill to be sent to a select committee for making necessary changes. Letter from Krishna Engineering Company, Erode, to Messrs. Bhima and Company, Coimbatore. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 10th November and we thank you very much for your order. But in the connection, we would like to draw your attention to the item 4, which is vaguely stated in your order. The size in respect of item number 5 has not been mentioned. These details are required to enable us to supply those items. So far as the rest of the items are concerned, we assure you that we are giving our best attention. We wish to inform you that there will be dispatched as soon as we receive the details in respect of the items and 5 of your order. We hope to receive these details at an early date so that we may be able to comply with your order. We assure you of our best and prompt services at all times. Yours faithfully.